Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I'm Poonam Sharma. Zomato's much awaited debut left investors richer by over 50% today compared to the issue price. The bumper opening for Zomato share came days after the grey market premium, that is GMP, had been hovering near 20% mark to IPO price. However, a huge demand for shares during and after the IPO put the GMP to nearly 50% above the issue price of ₹76. The stock made its debut on NSE today 52.63% above the IPO issue price at ₹116. Shares in the IPO were offered in a price band of ₹72 to ₹76. The firm has raised ₹9375 crore from the IPO. The issue was open from July 14 to July 16. On last day, the initial public offer was subscribed 38.25 times. The issue received bids for 2751.25 equity shares against IPO size of 71.92 crore equity shares on offer. Considering the huge subscription, all applicants were not successful in the bagging shares of the food delivery firm. After listing on bourses, the stock hit upper circuit of 20% compared to the issue price, signaling huge demand on BSE and NSE. However, analysts have mixed take on the shares of Zomato post listing. Here is what they said. See. Pavitra Shetty, co-founder and trainer, Tips2Trade said, even though a bumper listing for Zomato was expected, the current valuations seem to be extremely overstretched. This would be marked as a great day for the food tech sector, but the real test for Zomato would begin now. How quickly Zomato can start its journey to becoming a profitable company and gain further market share will truly determine its future. Allotted investors are advised to book partial profits and wait for a strong dip below ₹100 to start accumulating again. Jyoti Roy, DVP equity strategist, Angel Broking said, we had given a subscribe rating to the IPO. Given strong delivery network, high barriers to entry, expected turnaround and significant growth opportunities in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, we continue to remain positive on the stock from a long-term perspective. Post the stellar listing, we recommend that short-term investors that were looking for listing gains can exit the stock while long-term investors can book partial profits. Zomato had a super listing on the bourses. Given the low penetration, two large players in the market, falling advertising cost and companies focus on the domestic market growth. As well, property after initial cash burn will improve going ahead, said Vikas Jain, Senior Research Analyst at Reliance Securities. Powered by Arthros Clinic, a dedicated center for arthroscopy and sports injuries.